How to add music to your Instagram profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Instagram application on the search bar. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the app. So as it is updated, so I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Instagram application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and you can just go to edit profile. Now as you can see, there is no specific way of how to add music to our Instagram profile. So you can see here in the profile section there is no option. Then we can just go to the settings and privacy, and here also you cannot see any option as such. So what we are going to do, we're going to go to the home page of the Instagram application and then tap on DM. Then you see the option of note over here, so just tap on that, and then you can see the little option of this music icon over here at the bottom. So just tap on that, and here you can select any music that you want. So just tap on the music. After selecting the music, it will become up as your note. Then tap on share, and there you go. That's how you add music to your Instagram profile. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.